Number 2. Aulani, a Disney resort and spa in Oahu. This $800 million Disneyland beach resort opened in 2011 on the leeward side of Oahu. The island-themed setting is adorned with water and volcano components, native artwork, and tarot-patterned rugs. The pool area features a lava stone, swinging bridges, a splash zone, and 4 modules with views of the resort's lagoon. Of course, there are plenty of fun activities such as scavenger hunt and Disney movie nights in the park. Ukulele classes and storytelling sessions with puppets around a fire pit are free.